Okay, so we've set the project up. It's now time to set up the input mappings. So if we go under project settings, input system package, we need to create a new asset. So again, we create a new folder. This one we call input. Okay, we create a new settings asset, and we'll drag that into our input. And down the bottom we'll add what we want to use. So we want to use a gamepad, and we'll just use a generic gamepad, keyboard and mouse. Okay, so that's those set up. Now if we go into the input and we need to create a new input action. Just call this one simply controls again, like we did in the previous video when I showed you how to convert an old system to the new system. Tick generate C# class, and we'll apply that straight away so it creates that. Okay, we can dock that up there. So we need to create a new control scheme. And we save that. A new action map. I don't know, player 1. Okay, so this action wants to be a value, and it's a vector 2, and we're going to call it movement. We need a jump, dash, and wall grab. I might change that in a minute. So for our movement we can add a 2D vector composite, W, A, S and D. We can delete that binding completely. Okay, so we do this one, W, S, A, and D. Again, if we right click, add another vector 2 composite, call this one gamepad. Then we want to choose gamepad, left stick up, left stick down, left stick left, left stick right. Okay, jump, we'll have as button south, or spacebar. Dash we'll have as button west, which would be the X button or the cross button on the PS4 pad. And then we'll add another binding for that. Left shift. And then we'll grab. I want left shoulder, if I can find it. and we do left control for that. Save that, and that should be all of our input set up. Let's just double check we've got movement, WASD and gamepad, jump, button south, dash, button west and left shift, and we'll grab left shoulder, left control. Okay, so that should be our input settings all set up, so now we can start looking at creating our first scene frame. So I shall see you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and join me in my Discord. Links will be in the description below. I'll see you soon.